One diet which could solve all common problems we generally have, such as the skin related problems, pimples, dark circles, you're having a poor blood circulation, cramps, you're losing your hair, if you're having a heart related problem, high cholesterol, high BP, low BP, then this entire diet plan for you. So you must watch this video till end, because at the end I will let you know that what things you must include in your diet. If you follow this diet, then you must include some things. Without that, your diet would be incomplete.
Vegan diet is rapidly becoming popular because many celebrities like Bollywood actors, Hollywood actors, cricketers, footballers are endorsing this diet.
And you must have the complete detail or complete knowledge about this. Now, people being confused between vegan diet and the vegetarian diet. So both diets are slightly different. So let me tell you the difference between both. So first, let's discuss the vegan diet.
The vegan diet is the completely plant-based diet. That means here we are not going to use anything that is derived from the animals, because here we follow the complete ahimsa or non-violence. We do not adhere to himsa or violence by any means. That means
we don't consume any kind of food which is related to the animals. Either it's a milk, honey, or even the clothes made up by the animal, such as the shoes, shirt, pants, or the food which is directly or indirectly connected by animals. So this is comes under vegan diet, and this is completely plant-based diet. Now let's discuss about the vegetarian diet. Vegetarian diet is the plant-based diet, but in the vegetarian diet we can consume the dairy products such as milk, curd, ice cream, or everything, all the products which are made up by the milk or dairy products. This is the difference between vegan diet and the vegetarian diet. If you follow the vegan diet, it having a lots of nutrition value, such as it has antioxidant properties, lots of fiber, it has phytonutrients and nitrate. Now let me tell you about phytonutrients. And this phytonutrients made up by the two words. Phyto means the plant and nutrient means the nutritious value. The nutrients which we get from the plant we known as the phytonutrients. This is the most safest nutrition which we get from the plant. It also having a anti-inflammatory properties. Other than plant-based nutrition could cause the inflammation inside the body, which could directly lead the pimples, fatigue, body exertion, muscle weakness, lack of focus, and tiredness. Do you know, even UN said non-vegetarian food is unsustainable food. Now let me tell you the few benefits of vegan diet. So if you follow the vegan diet, you never gain weight or you never lose too much weight if you follow the vegan diet. Also, the vegan diet is something which could make you feel energized. Also, do the proper detoxification of your body. Vegan diet improves the metabolism and reduce the risk of heart attack, lowers the cholesterol level in the body. Who's having asthma, for them, this diet is completely good. And vegan diet is low in calories. But you should keep some precautions in your mind before you start following the vegan diet. Now, percentage of vegetarians in India. So 42% of males and 48% of females are vegetarian and rest are non-vegetarian. Now people start following the vegan diet as well. Now here are few disadvantages of vegan diet, as B12 deficiency, calcium deficiency, protein deficiency, and the iron deficiency. Relax, I have a solution of this. You must include something in your diet which could make your vegan diet or vegetarian diet complete, and also you won't have these deficiency in your body. Such as you should include chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and all the nuts and the dry fruits in your diet, which having a lots of fiber and the lots of nutritious value. When it's come to the iron, calcium, and the potassium, then you could take the spinach, beetroot, jaggery, and soya products. For B12, you must take supplements, and only your diet would be complete.
In the Vedic era, people used to follow vegetarianism. However, in a sense, they were vegan because the point of veganism is to avoid animal cruelty. In the ancient India and even in the current India, people consider cattle as part of family member. They treat them well, they feed them well. However, the definition of veganism can differ from one person to another. With that being said, I would say that we should not adhere to absolute veganism and treat others in a bad light. That if they are consuming vegetarian food, if they are consuming non-vegetarian food, then we should not have any bad feelings for them. According to a research, it was proven that vegan diet is very helpful in improving the cardiovascular health. It also reduces the risk of stroke, higher arterial blood pressure. It is also proven to be most effective way to reduce body mass index, which means it can help in reducing the excessive fat from the body. It was also observed that it has decreased the insulin sensitivity. This is why it is also very beneficial for people having type 2 diabetes. Another research indicated the similar benefits. However, it also pointed out some of the risk factor. The risk factor includes the weakness in the bones, deficiency in B12, iron and protein.
A list of vegan foods: soya products, pulses, seeds, nuts, fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Now, question for you: are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Answer me, I will drop you a heart. After this video, you could have a look over this video. It must help you. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and have a sigh of relief.